This is Mr. Watlington. Just in case I see some of you guys are having problems with your cable network, I'm just going to build this really quickly just to show that how it goes together. All right, as you see, I've already populated this side of my packet tracer with all the devices. This is the cable OL packet that I loaded up. All right, so I have a PC, the wireless router, your cable modem, cable splitter, and then my multi-link peer. So just to start connecting these up, pretty simple. Like I said, we're just going to use cable, go from fast Ethernet to the router, Ethernet 1. Same thing, to another cable. I'm just going to go to the internet side of your router, to the cable modem, to the port. Be sure you go to the port. Now going from a modem to my splitter. That's where I use coax cable, and go from port 0, and I'll use coax port 1 or 2. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna use coax 2 just for the heck of it. And from the splitter coax 0, I'll go to my cloud. So that's everything set up from that side. Now, a couple things. Now, if I want to set up my router. IP addresses that I want to use, and I'm just going to do static. We'll do static, keep it easy. So let's do 11. What are we going to do? Yeah, we'll do 11. .0.0 and say .22. And our subnet mask is going to be 255.255.255.0. Default gateway, pretty simple. That's going to be our 11.0.0.1. And for our DNS, I will use 11.1.1.0. All right, so that is the WAN side of our router. Now let's go down to the LAN side of our router. I'm going to use, for this one, I can use a 10 if I want to. 10 dot, I don't know. What do you think we're going to use? Make up one. Let's do, I don't know, 10.10, because it doesn't really matter. 10.10 dot 0.1. Sounds like a good IP address. Let's make it 10.10.1.1. Okay. Subnet mask. This is something to be aware of right here. Be sure your subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay. Just to be aware of. Because sometimes that will flip and change. It may become .252 or some other. And IP DHCP, I'm going to leave that enabled. And a maximum of 50. So from 100 to 149. All right. Save my settings. Did I hit save? Yes, I did. There we go. Just to be sure. Okay. So I got green lights everywhere going up through there. Now, I want to go and enable my internet side, my multi-user internet link. Be sure you change that to outgoing. This is the outgoing side. And we're going to say, okay, 38. This is the port, peer port 001. And the port name, what was it? Peer 0. Okay, that's interesting. PER 0. And connect. Boom, they both came up yellow. Let's go take a look at this side. What we got? Now we'll go over here and go to extensions, multi-user, and we're going to listen. Okay, so this one already set up. Sometimes you get these, it's going to be, prompt or prompt. Always check, always accept, and we see we got the right port, 38001. And if you don't know the port, if you're on this side, come over to this side first, see what the port number is, because that's where I said it's going to be listening from, and then you can connect them up. Okay, so my networks are both kind of yellowed up there. So now I'm just going to go and do a quick delete that. and reconnect it. So we're going to coax 0 and link 0. That one blued up. Come over to this side. We're going to do the same thing. Disconnect it. And let's reconnect. Get my coax cable. Go from port 0, link 0. So, looks like everything should be connected. What do you think? Alright, let's see. Let's go to my computer. I went to PC1, my computer. Desktop. And I'm just going to try to be brave. I'm just going to go straight and see if I can pull up the website. server.com. Host name unresolved. I bet many of you guys are probably getting that error, right? Alright, good. I'm glad I got that error. So let's take a look at our configuration. And you see what happened. I wasn't set up. Now, so I go back into my PC configuration and I turn on DHCP. So now I'm pulling an IP address from my router. Okay. Alrighty. Now, give it a second or two. And we will try that again. Desktop. Let's go to web server. And sometimes it takes a moment or two for that to connect. And sometimes you get the same type of error. So I guess I need to go ping. See, I'm one of these brave, daring people that I like to just try to see if I can get there. I may have a DHCP, port problem. Be sure everything is set up. Good. IP address. And actually, many times it just takes, you have to be a little patient because sometimes it takes a moment or two for it to actually connect. Alrighty. So, as you see, my DNS server was wrong. So, renew your DHCP. Go to static, then go back to DHCP. So many times that will reconnect, especially if you've made changes to other parts of your network, to go back and change your DHCP. Just go to static, go back to DHCP, and many times that will help everything resync. And when I did that, as you see, now I'm able to connect all the way through from the server, from my host PC, all the way to the server. All right, hope that helped you out.